I was back on my feet, ready to move on, to make new friends. With me!
ジョーカーと別れてクレイジーに悪カワ覚醒
Hi, boys.
極悪からダイヤを盗んだ少女を守れ
Man of Gotham! Who's having a good time?
悪対悪の危険度ＭAXアクション
I'm the one they should be scared of, because I'm Harley freaking Quinn.
ハーレイクインの華麗なる覚醒
Can I help you?
Why, yes, you can. I'm here to report a terrible crime.
And what terrible crime is that?
This one. Hi, boys. Meeting's over.
ジョーカーと別れてクレイジーに悪カワ覚醒
Hi, boys.
極悪からダイヤを盗んだ少女を守れ
Man of Gotham! Who's having a good time?
悪対悪の危険度ＭAXアクション
I'm the one they should be scared of, because I'm Harley freaking Quinn.
ハーレイクインの華麗なる覚醒
Now, staying on the DC theme for the Suicide Squad, Warner Brothers censored Harley Quinn's butt. Margot Robbie wore pretty much nothing in Suicide Squad aside from a ripped t-shirt and an incredibly short pair of shorts. CGI was used to make them appear longer in the trailers, possibly to avoid any backlash from angry parents and censors. Now, seeing as a female director will be in charge of Birds of Prey, it will be interesting to see if her wardrobe changes. Do you like my shirt? You can get one in the link in the description.